Hello guys, Hunter video here. Today, as you see, this is a gigantic bonfire. My lord, this is a gigantic bonfire. Look at this. Look at this. This is not what you think. We're not trying to summon demons or burn down the world. We're trying to get more hot today. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. Look at the Godstone mushroom cloud. Look at that. It's the Godstone mushroom cloud. Oh no. You know you're releasing toxic gases into this world. Okay. Okay. Look at this.
Yeah.
Look at all of this. This is so big. Just anyone who is watching, anyone who has watched my YouTube channel, you will not see this ever in your life. Ever. Just look at this. It's a gigantic mushroom cloud of flames. Oh my lord. I've already got started feeling like I'm going to burn in the shreds. Oh my lord. This is crazy. This is crazy. Okay guys. Yeah, I just see my hands. Like, I am sweating already. I got started so sweaty that I feel like I'm going to sweat to death. Like, burn to death. Just look at this fire. I wonder how many mosquitoes are going to get repelled and how many birds are going to die of toxins. So much ash. Look at this, people. This is so crazy. To all of those who watch this, have a nice time. And next time, always dab and got started. Peace out.